Okay, we're going to do a quick review, and then we're going to work on our last worksheet together as a group, and then we'll go over it. Anybody tell me what this is? Right, it's your hour hand. How many times does it go around the clock? Twice in one day, correct. Boom, we'll put that guy right there. How about this guy? Good, the minute hand. Goes around twice or once every hour, 25 times or 24 times a day. Okay, so there we go. We got our AM. This is the morning hours. Early morning. When you go to school, when you eat your breakfast, when you brush your teeth. Your PM is your nighttime hours. When you go home from school, when you eat dinner, when you go to bed. You got 12 hours of AM, 12 hours of PM, which make 24 hours a day. Correct. 24 hours in one day. Okay, everybody take a look at your worksheet, and we're going to go over the questions together. The first four have a picture of an activity, and then they have a time, but they don't say if it's AM or PM. That's your guys' job. Go ahead and get started. Okay, number one has a picture of children going to school. And it says 9 o'clock. Is that AM or is that PM? What do you think, guys? AM, correct. Okay, the second one shows a family sitting down and eating dinner. It says 6 o'clock next to it. Would that be AM or PM? Correct, that would be PM. Very good. The next question shows a little boy going to sleep. It says 8 o'clock next to it. PM, right, that was an easy one. Okay, here's one maybe a little tricky for some of you guys. It shows a girl with her mitt, which is pink, going to a baseball practice. It says 3:30. Is that AM or PM, guys? Good, PM. Okay, now we're going to have some questions on the worksheet. They're going to show two different times of the time. You're going to have your minute hand pointing at the top, which is what, guys? Right? And the minute hand pointing at the bottom, which is going to be written like this. Those are your two choices, okay, guys? Go ahead, start working, and then we'll go around the class and answer the questions together. Okay, number one is on the board. Sally, can you tell us what the clock would show if you wrote down the time up here, what it would look like, what your answer looks like? No, Sally, look at the minute hand. Where's the minute hand at? Right, very good. That should be the answer for number one, everybody. Good. Okay, let me move the minute hand. Okay, there's number two. Cooper, what's number two? Right, that's an easy one. 3 o'clock. Hour hand pointing at the 3, minute hand pointing at the 12. Very good. Okay. Question number 3. Morgan, take a look at that one. What answer? What'd you write down, sweetie? 9:30. Very good. Everybody see where she got that from? 9, the hour hand. 6, which is 30 minutes for the minute hand. Okay, so one more question on there. Everybody should get this one right. Your hour hand pointing at the 12th, and your minute hand pointing at the 12th. Carter, what's the answer? Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, So let's review all the stuff we've learned today about clocks. The big hand is called the minute hand. The little hand is the hours hand. There's 60 minutes in 1 hour. 24 hours in a day. AM is your early morning hours, which has 12. PM is your afternoon and nighttime hours, which also has 12, which makes 24 hours in the day. Very good, guys. Thank you for paying attention.